Top of the morning, y'all. What's going on? We're out here getting our zen on. Just listening to nature out here this morning. I don't know what it is about birds, but they're very interesting creatures. Got my coffee, steaming still. It's a little chilly out though today. It's only like 55 right now. But that's alright. That doesn't stop us from getting our zen on. Let's just take some moment of silence and listen to what we got going on around us. It looks like it's gonna be a cloudy day. Sun's not coming up. Hear a woodpecker over there.